Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn the part 2 of complex numbers. If you haven't watched the part 1, you can check it out from the I button. So let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, a small info. Only a small percent of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. If you haven't subscribed my channel, make sure to subscribe it. In first problem, it says that write the following complex numbers in the form of a plus ib. So the first one is 2 comma minus 3i plus 4i. We need to write this in our a plus ib form. So we just multiply it. 2 into 3 6 plus 4 2s are 8i plus into minus minus 3 3s are 9i minus 12i square 6 plus 8i minus 9i equal to minus I minus 12 of minus 1 because I square equal to minus 1. 6 minus I plus 12 equal to 18 minus I. We can also write it as 18 minus of I. 18 minus of I of A. I of 1. So it is in the form of a plus ib. Now second one, I plus 2i whole cube. Solution. Everyone knows the formula of a plus b whole cube. So we will just write it and substitute the values in their places. Okay. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A cube means 1 cube, 3 1 cube 2i plus 3 1 2i whole square plus 2i whole cube. Next, 1 cube is 1 and 1 is 1. 1 cube is also 1. 3 into 1 and 2 1 whole square. It means 2i whole square equal to 2 into I square. 2 square into I square. It means 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 into 3. 4 minus 1 into 3 means minus 12 plus 2i whole cube and minus 12 plus 1. It means minus 11. 2i whole cube means 8i cube. I cube means I square into I. Okay, I square is minus 1 minus I. So minus 8i is our next one. Minus plus 6i minus 8i. So minus 11i of minus 2 is our final answer. It is in the form of a plus ib. Now third one problem is a minus ib, a plus ib by rationalizing denominator. A minus ib by a plus ib into a minus ib by a minus ib equal to a minus ib into a minus ib. A plus b into a minus b, so a square minus ib whole square. Okay, next, these are in the form of a minus b, so a minus b whole square, a minus ib whole square, a square minus I square by I square b square equal to a square minus 2aib plus ib whole square by a square plus b square equal to a square minus b square minus I 2ab by a square plus b square. Okay, next, a square minus b square plus I of 2ab, we have taken one I as common, a square plus b square. If we have like this x plus y by a, we will do x by a and y by a. So here also we will do like this only, a square minus b square by a square plus b square I 2a minus 2ab of a square plus b square is our final answer. Now fourth one question is 4 plus 3i of by 2 plus 3i of 4 minus 3i. We can multiply the denominators, so we'll multiply it first. 4 plus 3i by 4 2s are 8 minus 6i, 3 4s are 12 plus 12i plus into minus minus 9i square. 4 plus 3i 8 plus 6i, it will, because 12i plus 12i minus 6i, so plus 6i minus 9i square means I square equal to minus I, so plus into minus minus into minus equal to plus, so plus 9. 4 plus 3i by 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 6i by rationalizing denominator 4 plus 3i by 17 plus 6i into 17 minus 6i, 17 minus 6i, a plus b into a minus b, so 17 square minus 6i whole square, 4 plus 3i into 17 minus 6i. Next, 17 square is 289 minus 36 of minus 1, because I square equal to minus 1, 6 square equal to 36. 17 4s are 68 minus 6 4s are 24i plus 3 into 17 51i plus into minus minus 3 6 are 18 I square. (68) minus 24i plus 51i. So it will become 27 plus 27i minus, then it will become plus because I square equal to minus 1. So minus 18 into minus 1 equal to plus 18. 289 minus, it will become plus 36. 68 plus 18, 86 plus 27i by 325. Here 86 by 325 plus I of 27 by 325. Here it is in the form of a plus ib. So fourth one is completed. Fifth one, question is given minus root 3 plus root 2 of 2 root 3 minus I. We will do multiplication. 2 plus, if you multiply minus root 3 into 2 root 3, we will get 2 plus minus 3, because root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. So 3 will be remaining. Plus root 3 into minus I, root 3i, minus root 3 into minus I, so plus root 3i, plus root 2 into 2 root 3, it will give us 2 root 6i minus 2 root 2i square. Okay, then it will become minus 6 plus root 3i plus 2 root 6i plus root 2 equal to, we will common minus root 6 root 2 and I of root 6 plus 3. Therefore it is in the form of a plus ib. Okay, now sixth one. Now sixth one. The question is minus 5i into I by 8. So denominator 1. So solution, minus 5i into I equal to minus 5i square by 8. I square equal to minus 1 equal, then minus 5 into minus I equal to 5 by 8. So here we have only a, so we will do plus I into 0, because I into anything into 0 equal to 0. So 5 plus 8 will be, 5 by 8 will be a plus I and 0 will be b. If there is by after simplification, if we didn't get anything except one or two variables, then we will do like this by taking 0. Okay, now 7th one. Minus I to I. It is very easy. Minus I into 2I. 2 minus 2I square. Then minus 2 of minus I. Then it will become 2. Here also we have only A. So we will do 2 plus I into 0. So it is in the form of A plus IB. Completed. Next eighth one. I power 9. I power 9. I power, we can write I power 9 in equal to I power 8 into I. Then it will become I square power 4 into I. So minus I power 4 into I. So minus I power 4, power is even, so the answer will be in positive. I plus I, 1 plus I equal to 1 plus I of I. The answer, therefore the answer is 1 plus I of 1. So it is in the form of A plus IB. Now next one is 9th one. I power minus 19. In earlier classes we studied that if the fraction power is minus, we can do it positive by getting into the denominator. So we can do it as positive by 1 by I power 19. Okay, we doesn't have anything, so we will do divide and multiply with I. Then we will get I by I 20. Okay, it is equal to I by I square whole power 10. Then it will become I by minus 10. Therefore then it will become minus 1. So the answer is 0 plus IB. Here we have the I and B, but we didn't have A. So we kept 0 to balance the equation. Now 10th one. 3 of 7 plus 7I plus I of 7 plus 7I. The we will do multiplication. 7 3 is 21 plus 7 3 is 21I plus I into 7 plus I into 7I equal to 7I square. Then 21 plus 21I plus I 7I, it will become 28I, and I square is minus, so my 7 of minus 1, so it will become 14 plus 28I. The answer is 14 plus 28I. Now 11th one. 2 plus 5i by 3 minus 2i plus 2 minus 5i 3 plus 2i. Now we need to do the LCM. So we'll simply multiply these two in the denominator and we will cross multiply and we will cross multiply the each and everything. Cross multiply these two. So 2 plus 5i into 3 plus 2i and plus, because it is plus, 3 minus 2i of 2 minus 5i. After doing multiplication, the equation will be 6 plus 4i plus 15i plus 10i square plus 6 minus 15i plus 4i minus 10i square. Here 15i and 4i will get cancelled because they are on the both sides of the equation, so they will be getting cancelled. The remaining equation is 6 plus 10 minus I minus 1 plus 6 plus 10 of minus 1 denominator 9 square and I square equal to minus 1, so 4. The minus 4 will become plus 4 because of I square. Next 12 6 plus 6 equal to 12. This is minus 10 and minus 10 equal to minus 20 by 13. The answer is minus 20 plus 12 equal to minus 8 by 13. Therefore the answer is minus 8 by 13 plus I into 0. Now second bit, first one. Here they are saying to find the conjugate. Conjugate means if the equation, if let's take an example, the first one 3 plus 4i, it is having the symbol is plus. We will denote the conjugate by z bar. Conjugate of complex number is z bar. The z bar of this complex number is, we will simply change the sign, that's it. That's it only. Okay, we will simply change the signs of the complex number. Now second one 15 plus 3i minus 4 minus 20i. We will do the multiplication and the differentiation part. 15 plus 3i plus into minus 4 minus into minus plus 20i 11, because minus 15 and minus 4 will become 11 plus 3i plus 20i will become 23i equal to 11 plus 23i. The z bar equal to, z bar means conjugate equal to 11 minus 23i. Okay, now third one 2 plus 5i minus 4 plus 6i. We need to first do multiplication and then we need to find the conjugate. So 2 into minus 4 minus 8, 2 into 6 equal to plus 12i, plus plus not minus, because plus into minus minus, 5 4s are 20i, plus into plus plus 6 5s are 30, I into I square, minus 8 plus 12i minus 20i will become minus 8i. Here it will become as minus 30, minus 38 by 8. Here it will be become minus, because we need to change the sign between the a and b. Okay, we changed the minus into plus, and here it is for the a, so we don't need to change the a symbol. Okay, question is given 5i by 7 plus I. By rationalizing the denominator. If you have fraction and you don't have any method, and you doesn't have anything to do, simply just do the rationalizing denominator, then you will get some answer. 5i plus 7 plus I into 7 minus I by 7 minus I. Cross multiplication, plus and minus, a plus b into I minus b, so 7 square minus I square, 35i minus 5i square, 35i plus 5, 49 plus I, 49 plus 1. Here we will divide this 5 by 50 and I 35 by 50. 5 ones are 5 tens are, 5 sevens are, and 5 tens are. Then it will become minus 1 by 10 minus 7i by 10. The conjugate plus, because plus, the conjugate will be 1 by 10 minus 7i by 10. Now the second bit is completed. Now third bit. Here it is given as simplify. Simplify. We need to simplify the given equation. Here they given us I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6, so on till 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 means the final number of this continuing numbers. So the n means natural numbers. They are unlimited natural numbers. We can't count them. They are infinite natural numbers. So we will just do an assumption. So I square equal to minus I, plus, if it is given in the power is in even, then we will get the positive answer. So plus 1 then the minus 1, so on until 2 power n plus 1. The final term it will remain is minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. That's it. And the second one of this third bit is a homework for you. You can do it. And now fourth one. The question is first one, fourth bit, first one. The question is 7 plus 24i. They said us to do find the square root of following complex numbers. they said us to find out the complex numbers square root. Okay, the square root formula to find any complex number square root is root a plus ib equal to a square plus b square under root under root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into root under root a plus b square a square plus b square minus a by 2. The plus and minus between these between two the variables will be decided by the b. If b is less than 0, then we will keep minus. Okay, if b is greater than 0, we will keep plus. Okay, this formula you need to keep in your mind. This will help you in your future exams. This type of questions may come in 2 marks also. So the first one is, we'll do the first one solution. Simply we need to just substitute the values. A means is first one and b means the second one. So root of under root a means 7 square plus 24 square plus 7 by 2. Here the b is greater than 0, so it is plus I into 7 square plus 24 square minus 7 by 2. Now 7 square 49 plus 24 square is 576. 24 square is 576 by 2 plus I of under root 749 plus 576 minus 7 by 2. If we add these two, we will get 625 plus 7 by 2 under root 625 plus minus, here it is minus 7 by 2. 625 is the root of 25. 25 plus 7 by 2 plus I of I root 25 minus 7 by 2. Then the answer is 20 means 32 by 2. 32 root 32 by 2 plus I into 18 by 2, root 18 by 2. 2 ones are 2 16s are 2 ones are 2 9s are. Here it will become 4. Root 16 is 4 and I is 3. Therefore this is the answer. And the remaining two are very easy. You can do it as it is homework. Now fifth bit. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following complex numbers. They said us to find the multiplicative inverse. multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i. To find the multiplicative inverse of a complex number, the formula is a plus ib by a square plus b square. That's it. The formula is very simple. You can easily identify it by some numbers. A means root 5 plus I and 3. Root 5 whole square plus 3 whole square. Root 5 plus I3 and root and square will get cancelled. So 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 means 14. 14. Root 5 plus I3. So the answer is that's it. Here is the multiplicative inverse of first one. And the second one multiplicative inverse is minus I. The multiplicative of minus I is, here we doesn't have the a and b values, so we will we have the b value because minus I means in front of it there will be 1, so b value is 1 and a value we will assume as 0. 0 minus I of minus 1. 0 square plus 0 1 whole square, then I by 0 plus 1 equal to I. The answer is I. And the last one is I to the power of minus 35. Third one, I to the power of minus 35. We will convert this into positive power, so fraction of I 35. I to the power of 35. Here a equal to 0 because there is no number, so a equal to 0 and b equal to 1. The formula, if we apply in the formula a equal to 0 and b equal to 1, the answer will be minus 1. Okay, 0 square plus minus 1 whole square, the answer will be minus I by 1 equal to minus I. So that's all for today, friends. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video. If you end up liking this video, please consider subscribing and make sure to check out our social media links.